So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the vertical videos to be cropped in or zoomed in so much on your screen on DaVinci. Now, in order to get that fix, just simply click on the file on the top left corner, then click on project settings. Inside the project settings, you need to go to this option that says image scaling. Inside here, you'll see this option that says mismatch resolution files and it says scale entire image to fit. Now click over there and here you'll see this option, multiple options now. The recommended option is that says scale entire image to fit. And just make sure that it does not select it as scale full frame with crop or anything like that. Just simply select this option that says scale entire image to fit and hit OK. And once you do it, now if you import any vertical video to the horizontal landscape project, it will not zoom in the video. Instead, it will directly fit in the video in the frame.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.